Funfetti Brownie Milkshake, okay? Dude, when I first had a Funfetti milkshake, man, again, sweet but delicious. Ice cream going in there, okay? Followed by some Funfetti brownie mix, some cake vodka, Funfetti milkshakes are delicious. Blend, 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 blend. Okay, chocolate syrup and sprinkles. Rim, 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 rim. All right. And now we come behind and we pour this bad boy in. Delicious. Okay, because that's like a cake batter mix that you have going on here with ice cream. It's thick, it's sweet, but it's delicious. Some whipped cream on top. Some whipped cream on top, and then we drop some more sprinkles over the top of that, okay? We use two different kinds of sprinkles in this, so there's a lot of sprinkling going on.